Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today, inspired by Patty Bennett, I am making this fun double diamond fold. And this is what it looks like sideways. The paper that I use is called Sentimental Christmas, and Stampin' Up! Well, let's see if I can fan this out for you. 6 different designs. Let me flip it over to the other side. It looks like that, and there's one full sheet. Well, actually 2. That one and this one. That's like one big design. And Stampin' Up! Will donate $3 to a charity for every set of the DSP that is purchased. So let's get started. This is what you're going to need: a card base, basic white 4.5 by 11, scored at 2 1/4, 4.5, and 7 3/4. 2 pieces of basic white that are 3-inch squares, 2 pieces of DSP that are 2 3/4 square, a DSP measuring 2 by 4, another one measuring 3 by 4, and then a basic white 2 3/8 punched out, and a DSP 2 3/8 circle punched out. I'll pause there. You can screenshot this. Let me get these out of the way. So we'll start with Stampin' Sale Plus T on the top to remind me. We're going to go ahead and do my clockwise technique around so the corners don't rise up or pop up. So there. Set those aside. This is your scored already, so the way you score it is mountain, valley, mountain. M, kind of like M there. And then we'll go ahead and adhere the 2-inch piece to the front. Three-inch piece to the back. Like this. Then we'll go ahead and adhere this. So you're only going to go to the bottom part. So the easiest way to do that is to get the corner, because you know me and corners, and then the top. And that way you'll know that everything will stay down there. And then let's repeat that on this one. Corner and top. There. This one, I went ahead and did a white for the back so you can write something on it. And then this one, I wanted to pop up a little bit. Oh, I like the design actually on the back too. I'll have to use that for another project. I like snowflakes, and the brown is a different from usual holiday colors. And that is it. Let's put the T back on the top, and it folds up, and it can actually stand on the desk also. So here's one, here's another. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, comment, and share with anybody else who would like a video. And if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, and you'll see many more videos on there. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye.